Hey everyone, Austin and Trevor here. Today my Tahoe's gone, but we have these two cars to look at. My mom's 2004 Honda Pilot EXL and my sister's 1998 Volkswagen New Bug. Power. First, we'll be looking at how badass these cars sound. But first video, we will be looking mostly at the Pilot, second, the Bug. Okay, so this has a 245 horsepower engine. Very, hold on, here's your interior, leather, very upholstered. Well, and then here's your hood, right there, hood release. Very good fit and finish on this car. Close my door, sorry. Your hood clip, look, it shows a little groove in the grill for you. Okay, there's a thing. Can you, Trevor, could you grab that and then put it in the hole?
Ah! Where's the hole?
Right,
put it down.
Right there. Right there.
I see the hole. Just tilt it.
Give you $10 if that holds. Just kidding. As this has a 3.5 VTEC, which is found, of course, in all of the most Honda vehicles. The engine just gets louder. It doesn't actually sound too bad. I've done this a couple times before. So as long as there's no one outside, we had to open the door because of the garage fumes. Just look out here. It's a beautiful night, Black Friday. The house tour sells here, so we decided to make some good revving videos. So, without further ado, Trevor, I'm starting it up. Without further ado,
look what I found.
Just making sure there's no one intruding. Trevor, would you like to hold the camera? I will fire up the Pilot. There you go. Oh wait, there. Just put it. Stand right back here. Sorry for the shaky video. Thank you. Pretzel sticks.
All right, Trevor taking over. I know you guys are probably watching thinking, oh God, why aren't they doing a Lamborghini? Because we're the middle class.
Okay. My mom, very safe about her cars, always leaves the keys in the ignition. You put on some good tunes for y'all. Back, come on, let's do this. Ready?
Yep. That was awesome.
It actually doesn't sound too bad. It don't sound that bad. To be honest with you, you expect this to sound like a middle-aged mommy minivan. It really doesn't. It's not really the coolest thing to roll in, but honestly, I drive a Tahoe, which is gone right now. Family took it out. Everything it's built right, it's built good. The new ones, they just got uglier and uglier. This is the best one because 04, they got all the kinks worked out. This is the best model year to have. I'm not the biggest Honda fan, but if I can make a list of 5 Hondas, which I respect, this year and this car, the year this model would definitely go on it. And it doesn't sound that bad. Most 6 cylinders, sound wheezy, but very good all around.